Encountering the your carrier may charge for SMS message error on your iPhone can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to send important messages. Don't worry though, this guide will provide you with 100% effective solutions to resolve this error and ensure smooth messaging on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your network connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your phone screen to access the control center. Ensure that cellular data is enabled. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data or vice versa to see if the error persists. Test your connection by opening a web browser and visiting a website to ensure your internet is working. Solution 2. Update carrier settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on General, tap About. If an update is available for your carrier settings, a prompt will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to update. Solution 3. Check SMS settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, and tap on Messages. Ensure that Send as SMS is toggled on. If you're using iMessage, make sure that it is also enabled. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Solution 5. Contact your carrier. If the problem persists after trying all the above steps, it may be an issue with your carrier. Contact your mobile carrier's customer support for assistance. They can check for any account issues or provide further troubleshooting steps. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your carrier may charge for SMS message error on your iPhone and resume sending messages without interruptions. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.